Hello again, I'm Richard Chambers and welcome to A View from the Audit Trail. I'm joining you today from my hometown of New Smyrna Beach, Florida, where I want to talk to you about a really important topic for internal auditors. Occasionally, crucial research on internal audit flies under the radar. This may have been the case earlier this year when Deloitte's Center for Board Effectiveness and the Center for Audit Quality jointly released the Audit Committee Practices Report, Common Threads Across Audit Committees. This report provides rare insight into the collective thinking of audit committee members about internal audit, yet it seems to have been overlooked by many in our profession. There was a time when the Big Four and other firms regularly published reports exploring audit committee perspectives on internal audit. These insights have become harder to find, but when they are available, we should use their findings to improve our practice. Despite my disdain for reports that lump finance and internal audit together, this report's most valuable insight is its focus on internal audit's talent. When asked to rank the top audit committee priorities for the next 12 months, respondents placed finance and internal audit talent third, just behind cybersecurity and ERM. This highlights the importance of internal audit talent alongside some of the most pressing issues of today. The report doesn't detail where talent gaps exist or what aspects need upgrading. But in my own discussions with audit committees, I've identified 6 critical skills that would strengthen internal audit from the audit committee's perspective. First, there's technology acumen. Internal auditors must understand technology's impact on business processes and controls. They should evaluate IT systems, audit IT processes, and leverage technology to enhance audit effectiveness. Second, there's critical thinking and problem solving. Internal auditors need strong analytical skills to assess risks, evaluate controls, and identify root causes. They should think strategically to tackle complex audit challenges. Number 3 is risk management acumen. In today's volatile environment, internal auditors must conduct risk assessments, develop mitigation strategies, and evaluate risk management processes. Fourth, data analytics and data science. With the rise of big data, internal auditors should analyze large data sets to identify patterns and trends, enabling effective risk assessments and audit planning. A 5th critical skill is cybersecurity expertise. Internal auditors must have a deep understanding of cybersecurity principles to assess risks, evaluate controls, and recommend mitigation strategies. And number 6 is a keen understanding of AI concepts. Internal auditors should grasp AI concepts like machine learning and predictive analytics. This will allow you to have a clear understanding of their applications and the impact on internal audit procedures. The Deloitte CAQ survey also gauged satisfaction with internal audit. Sadly, only 43% of audit committee members strongly agreed that internal audit has a high understanding of business operations. Meanwhile, just 29% strongly agreed that internal audit effectively helps management identify new risks. And only 19% strongly agreed that internal audit professionals, aside from the CAE, bring needed insights to stakeholders. Those findings are troubling to me. You may think I'm being too negative, but for sure, 86% of audit committee members agreed or strongly agreed that internal audit helps identify new risks. But let's be honest, do we believe our audit committees think we're truly effective in this area? The 29% who strongly agreed seemed more accurate. Let's use these insights as a wake-up call to elevate our profession and ensure that we're continuing to add value in these challenging times. With a view from the audit trail, I'm Richard Chambers.